Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Salam alaikum. I'm very, very, very confident all of you guys are thriving there in euphoria because so am I, and it's a beautiful day. It's a blissful, bountiful, and very, very, very gorgeous day, and it feels wonderful after a dance session I just finished. Dance makes me feel so high, connect with the universal energies, and release all the toxicity or stagnance that we absorb from the collective consciousness and the kind of food we eat, sometimes pesticides and chemicals or whatever is there. So I try. I not try is not the word. I try is not the thing. I do my best to pick organic products wherever I. But there are a lot of things that sometimes has a lot of toxicity in that, pesticides and chemicals in it. So it's better to every fortnight do salt water flush and lemon water in the morning, which I do, and then after the dance sessions I feel so amazing, right? So I hope you guys are also keeping yourself clean, hydrated, high vibrational, and high on life. Let's start with the chanting. So today we are talking this wonderful topic, recognizing the possibilities. Recognizing the possibilities today. We are only talking right now about today. So every day is a today. I never could connect with the idea of whoever has created these things, that yesterday and tomorrow, but everything is today, that we are creating our life, living our life in this here and now, which comes in today. So today, what are the possibilities that you have recognized in yourself, in your environment, in your connections, in your actions, in your intentions? Every moment we are recognizing something, we are having an experience because the recognition of something is happening in our consciousness, in our nervous system, right? Like me talking, I'm recognizing my voice, my sound, my image through this video. I'm recognizing each one of your presence, in as a frequency, as a consciousness outside on the other side of the camera. So I'm recognizing the sensations that I'm feeling, listening, watching, smelling, touching, speaking myself. So these are the possibilities I'm recognizing right now, today, through this medium. So what are all the possibilities that you're recognizing every single day? It is such a basic thing, but it is such a deep subject. If you don't recognize the possibilities today, then how are you going to tap into your infinite potential? Are you just doing the mundane and not even recognizing or reflecting and recognizing and understanding and appreciating where you are, what you up to, what are your intentions, how you are acting, what are your behavioral patterns, who are you connecting with, how is your vicinity, what are your vibrations when you are connecting with these collective frequencies around you, what are you giving out, what are you receiving, who are you allowing to your space, your physical space, mental space, emotional space, spiritual space, what are you carrying with you every single day? It's all recognizing the possibilities. Example, I get up, the first thing I recognize the possibilities for the whole day is, today I am abundant, today I am graceful, today I am grounded, today I am royal, today I am lucrative, today I am beautiful, today I am healthy, wealthy, gorgeous, wise, profound, prolific, beautiful, bountiful, graceful, grounded, centered, focused, creative, loving, lovable, loved, respectful, honorable, glorious, alchemist, magical. Today I am all that I deserve. Today I am receiving all that I deserve. Today I am giving all that I deserve and everybody deserves from my energies. Today I am one with all that exists and coexists. Today I am universal. Today I am planetary. Today I am in oneness with everyone and everything. Today I am that. I am, the consciousness of I am. Om. So you understand what are the possibilities that you have today. Today I can be this, today I can be that, today I can do this, today I can think that, today I can focus on this, today I can create this, today I can connect with these people, connect with these energies, connect with these ideas. Today I'm creating these new ideas. Today I'm taking these new actions. Today I'm taking taking chances. Today I'm believing in myself. Today I am start meditating. Today I am practicing yoga. Today I'm stretching. Today I'm dancing. Today I'm breathing profoundness, breathing prosperity, breathing in consciousness, breathing love and light. Today I am feeling the light. Today I am embracing the dark. Today I am releasing all the pain. Today I am free from all the baggage. Today I am living in today, in the present moment. Today I am learning new things. Today I am listening silently and with patience to people. Today I'm speaking truthfully my heart, my mind, my reality, my intentions, my ideas, my emotions, my feelings. Today I'm sharing. Today I'm learning. What are the possibilities that you're recognizing today? Is that your vibration, or you just got up, brushed your teeth, took your shower, shit, had your breakfast, gone to work, rush, did the same mundane thing. Listen to them, listen to that, do dash, come back, and then same, that responsibility, this responsibility, make calls and listen and solve problems at home and neighbors, this, family, friends, whatever. You went and met friends and just have the same practical, superficial things, not practical. Yeah, this, that is happening, world is going this, COVID is happening, that is happening, work is happening, family happening, that happening, stupid. No expansion, no inspiration, no enthusiasm, no creativity, no rendezvous, no feeling beautiful, right? Bountiful, no such things, no adventure, no spontaneity, and it's just you did. Came and then you're tired and exhausted and just went to sleep, and this is the limited perspective life, and you didn't recognize any of the new possibilities. You didn't recognize even the possibilities that you had created already, and you lived the experience, didn't even recognize them, didn't even appreciate yourself, didn't even appreciate the experiences, because you were not in the present moment, just doing, running this, that. What is happening with you? Where are you? Are you recognizing the possibilities today? If you are, leave me an email and let me know what are the possibilities that you have. It can be one day, any day. What are the possibilities you have focused on, concentrated, and recognized in yourself? You start with a day and then it continues to become more and more and more of your infinite potential. So let's start with the day. Pick it your day and then you sit and recognize your possibilities, and then we'll see where what are your potentials, and you will know yourself, and then you'll explore those unknown side of yourselves, and you'll live your life purpose, not just a mundane thing what is conditioned into your karmic mindset. So this is what I wanted to share. Just start recognizing your possibilities today. Sit with yourself, sit with a note and understand. Or you can start thinking, take 5 minutes in the morning and sit, meditate, and then ask yourself, what are the possibilities I have today, I am today? Recognize them. And then we'll see, we'll go forward with it. You will yourself know what are the possibilities you have and where are you taking actions, what are you procrastinating, and then if any guidance you need, you can always sit with yourself and ask those questions to the universe. What are the things that I need here to learn, to attract these resources, to move forward in these possibilities that I can see with myself, within myself? Well, the answers will come eventually. First, start recognizing the possibilities. It can be a simple just thing to start running from today, so it just can be anything. Or just, maybe start journaling from today, or just start fasting, for a day, for half a day. Can be anything. Start recognizing the possibilities that you have. Today is the day to do that. So before I say this, Vidania, I'm sending love, light, and quantum healing energies to all of you. Keep thriving, keep shining, and keep sending your love always towards me. And I'm very grateful for everything. Bye bye.